Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a clickable link right inside Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing resources for a project, sharing references with your team, or just making your sheet a little more interactive, knowing how to add a clickable link can really boost your productivity and make your spreadsheets a lot more useful. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn any word, sentence, or even a whole list into an easy access link. And trust me, it's a lot simpler than you might think, so let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheet and pick the cell where you want to create your clickable link. Just write the word or the sentence that you'll use as the link. For example, you might type company website or maybe click here for more info, whatever best describes where that link will take someone. It's always a good idea to use a phrase that actually tells people what they'll get if they click it. That helps everyone stay organized and it just makes the whole sheet feel more professional. Once you've got your text in the cell, go ahead and click on it. You want to actually select the cell so Google Sheets knows exactly where you want to add your link. Sometimes people try to highlight just part of the text in the cell, but in Google Sheets, the link always applies to the whole cell. So a quick single click will do the trick here. With your cell selected, take a look up at the top of your screen. You'll see a little chain link icon, usually toward the right side of the toolbar, kind of looks like two loops connected together. That's the link icon. Go ahead and click it. If you're having a hard time finding it, remember you can also use the keyboard shortcut Control+K or Command+K on a Mac, which does exactly the same thing. Now a small box will pop up. This is where the magic happens. You'll have a space where you can either paste a web address like www.example.com or type it in directly. Make sure you enter the full URL starting with http// or https//. That helps make sure your link works correctly for anyone who opens the sheet. If you're grabbing a link from another website, just copy and paste it in here. Take a second to double check the address, because a tiny typo in the URL could mean the link won't work later on. Once you've double-checked your link, go ahead and click the Apply button at the bottom of that pop-up. You'll see the text in your cell instantly turn blue and get underlined, just like links you see all over the web. That means your link is now live, and anyone who clicks that cell will be taken straight to the web page you linked to. Super easy, right? And that's it, you've just made a clickable link in Google Sheets. It's a small detail, but it makes your spreadsheets feel much more interactive and polished. If you ever need to change the link, you can just repeat these steps and update the URL. And remember, don't worry if it takes a moment to find your rhythm with this. Like any new tool, once you've done it a couple of times, it'll become second nature. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. I always love hearing from you guys. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more simple, effective tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.